Hello class 9 students. Today I am going to show you how to insert a word art in MS Word. So for that you have to click on insert button, then after that click on word art, then select the design you like, then after that you have to type that text on it. By default it will come your text here, just delete it and type the text. Different thing, different. So after typing it you can apply different formatting. For different formatting, for example you want to change the text color, then you have to go to format button. One thing I suggest you, that before that you apply text wrapping. Text wrapping will allow you to move the text from one part to another part of your document. Select the text, then after that change the text color. Your word art have got line color too, so you can change the line color from the format tab and you can apply on the word art. So this is how you can apply or you can insert word art in MS Word. Next, let us insert some shapes. So for the insert tab, then there are predefined shapes. First, text box. Text box is more than text shape. It is a box that allows you to type text in it. So first, just drag it and type it. Then you apply the formatting that you like to apply on your text. Make the text size bigger so that it is visible, and you can move the text box on your document. And other shapes you can bring it by click on insert. For example, you are bringing cloud or other symbols, whatever you like. Just cloud, you see. After clicking on the cloud, let me see, cloud is where, yes, then after that drag it. After dragging, you change the fill color. Actually color can be changed of your cloud. Which color you like, you just place it, then click it there, then change the color of it. Text too can be added by right clicking on the add text option. So this is how you can insert cloud on your document. Now I shall show you how to insert image. So for that, insert, then image button, then browse your computer, select the image you like, then after selecting the image you need to click on insert button again, then your image will appear on your document. Here I shall show you how to apply the cropping. Just click on crop button in format tab itself. Actually for crop option is mainly used for removing the unnecessary part of your image. So here we are removing the unnecessary part of the image and click on enter button. Then you can apply formatting too. Now how to insert a clip art. Same process, insert clip art, then one panel will appear in the right side. Just click on the go button, then you select the clip art you like, just click there, it will appear on your screen. Change the text wrapping, then after that you move the clip art anywhere you like on your document. Then after that you can apply the color correction. These all are the pre-formatted color correction. That means if you want to change the look of your clip art, just select it from there and apply on your screen. So this is how you can insert clip art. So in this short video I can show you this much. Later on the other steps I shall show you. Just try